South of Midnight, we have this really unique handcrafted art style. We have a stop motion animation treatment, so we were really inspired by, maquettes and puppets. The best thing about the whole Substance suite, but a Substance Painter, which we use a lot on the character team, is just how easy and non-destructive the workflow is. So we can try different things and experiment, which is good when we're working on something unique and stylized, because we can, experiment with the procedural tools or the filters and see what can get us the different effects that we want.
There's going to be changes asked of us to make to these textures all the time, regardless of what point we're at in production. So with designers, since it's a procedural workflow, we don't have to be as afraid to make changes, because it's much, much easier to just kind of go back in our graph, maybe change a couple of sliders and parameters and just get the result we really want.
One of the biggest challenges for the game was the scope, but not only in terms of the large number of assets, but also the diversity of scale, type of materials, colors, type of environments.
The challenge, of course, it is that it's Indiana Jones game. So we needed to make sure that we capture Indiana Jones as a character. Substance tools definitely helped a lot. We almost entirely rely on Substance Painter and Designer for texturing process. We can pretty much choose how we work and what we do.